CPI data was bad, obviously. The markets took a huge dive, and my calls got wrecked. I wasn't bashful about the amount of risk I was taking. I said I was even unwise, that I take the risk so you don't have to. And that's how it goes sometimes. I started the week with $675, peaked at $1,000, and then walking away with $400, actualizing a loss, which sucks. Now, this money is all from gains from prior trades, and I don't want to lose it all, so I'm going to pay myself, and I'm going to enjoy my life a little bit. So I'm going to try to keep this video short so I can go to a movie and maybe buy something from American Eagle. I love going to AMC and then hitting up American Eagle. These are two of my favorite companies. I want to go long in both, and it looks like there may be an opportunity in the future to go long at our discounted price, but I'm actually still bullish on AMC right now. I'm still somehow amazingly still not thinking bearish, and I don't flip very often. There's a reason for that, and that's because it takes a long time to make these huge trends change. So let's just hop into the charts really quick, and then I'll do some more vlogging at the end. Let's start with the 15-minute chart on AMC. I've been following this pennant. It is sub-mini wet wave 2, and it just refuses to die. It just keeps fractaling larger and larger and larger, and it's not great. I have in the past said that it's not over until we break this low from the first, what was this? I believe this is a mini wet wave. A mini wet wave 2. And now we have the sub-mini wet wave 3 starting, and I'm assuming it's an extension because wave 1 ended really short, and now we have this 5-wave form motive wave in its second wave. So what have I got? I'm on what degree am I on again? So I'm thinking that this is still looking bullish until we take out this low at the end of this last diagonal triangle. We're still bullish, and we didn't do it, not today. Nope. Instead, we extended the 5th wave again, and now we are attempting another ABC correction. And you can see the last one here. This drop, this pull up. This was an attempt at A, B, and C. We didn't get it. Bad economic news sent the price down. I actualized a loss, flip-flopped a bunch, and then came to a decision that I just can't be day trading all the time. I was messaging Obi-Wan, and he's like, dude, are you trying to do too much? And I have to listen when people tell me that, because that's actually a theme in my life, is that I overextend myself all the time. So if I'm going to be producing content, doing analysis, and working a full-time job, and day trading, I can't do all of that very well. So I'm going to put day trading on the side because, well, frankly, I don't need to be doing it all that much. I felt like I had to do so when I was really bearish and everyone was really bullish. I remember when AMC was at $45, and I said, hey, we're going sub 10. And the attitude at the time was, oh yeah, well, if you're so sure AMC is going to go down, why don't you short it? So I didn't short it because I have a cash account and can't short. Instead, I bought puts. I did. I put my money where my mouth was, and I made money on the way down. I felt like I had to do that because it's like a validity thing, you know? Like, I feel like if I'm not in the game, so to speak, then what value does my analysis have? And I think at this point, I've demonstrated that my analysis is actually pretty good. And I don't need to be day trading all the time. I have this tendency to work my gains up and then just piss my way into the market and walk away with just a little bit of cash. And in that way, I can say, look, I'm still winning. I'm still up on the market. But really, I'm just enabling a gambling habit, aren't I? So I need to put day trading on the side, at least until I can quit my day job. And if I can quit my day job, then I'll hop back into day trading. But until then, day trading is going on to the side, and I'm going to be focusing on analysis and content. So look forward to that. I'm going to be making a lot of changes in my Discord now. So bear with me while I do all of this, and I appreciate everyone's patience and support. I have a new mod team, so that's going to be cool. I'm going to be announcing that over the weekend as well. And so I planned on saying all of this at the end of the video, but I did it here after just like a little itty bitty analysis, but maybe now people actually heard it. I don't know. So my hair is still kind of wet. It's kind of a weird day for me. I'm going to go see a movie. I don't know what I want to see. I was thinking about seeing Top Gun again. I saw Top Gun with my wife. It was amazing. And I think I want to see, what is this? Bad Guys? Is that what it's called? Okay, whatever. Maybe I cut that out. Moving on from AMC, let's go ahead and have a peek at GME. You know, people in Discord are asking me, are you still bullish? And it's like, yeah. Like, it's going to take a long time before we have a trend change large enough to really break this flagpole. In fact, I haven't called this, I described this as a flag tilt alteration, because instead of this nice, clean downward pennant we had and this breakout, now we have this seemingly upward channel, and that parallel trend lines, those make a flag. So, AMC still hasn't formed a bearish reversal, and neither has GME. To be honest, it really hasn't. But when we go over to SPY, yeah, that's bad. Yeah, yikes. Yesterday I said that's as bad as it looks. I thought it was stupid because it is, but ouch. You can't argue with that, right? It's possible that we form an island reversal and we gap back up. That'd be amazing, but I don't really think that's going to be the case. Instead, I'm going to be looking for a trend change towards the bottom of this nasty, wicked pattern. I'm going to turn on a different style actually so I get my momentum indicators up to standard, and we're going to just go over here, and then we're going to open blank. Okay, yeah, ouch. This looks like it's about to run down further. I'm going to call that a breakaway gap probably. So that would imply the price is coming down to test new lows, and it wouldn't surprise me in the least bit if we come back and we touch the descending or the bottom trend line of this descending broadening wedge. And that's terrifying because guess what? That's a partial rise in the pattern. And if the price continues to decline, guess what? It's dump time. It's dump time. Like major dump time. Like I don't want to talk about it still, not until it happens. So yeah, okay, that's bad. Everything's looking bad. The meme stocks are looking better than everything else, to be honest. Ooh, IWM, look at IWM coming down, and it's actually already testing its uptrend, which is terrifying because it's the same story with SPY. If we lose these levels, we're in for another big push down. 1, 2, 3. This starts to look like a corrective uptrend wave in the middle of a larger downtrend. So if I just look at this, I would say that's wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 comes all the way down, and it looks like it has a 3-wave form, doesn't it? Which is really curious. I'm gonna need to analyze this more carefully. Let's see if I subdivide that wave into 1, 2, and then that's supposed to be 3. So 1, 2, 3. But I need a 4, and maybe it's a truncated 5. So that's a truncated 5. I'm looking for wave 4, and now we have wave 5. So yeah, this looks like we're still. I'll explain all that. I'll do L8 wave analysis study on this over the weekend. This looks bad. This looks really bad. Like I'm actually worried, and I'm an optimist. So. The meme stocks look good. Everything else looks like garbage. And I'm going to be making a lot of changes here on my Discord. Stay tuned for those. Thank you for the support. It really is with my follower support that I continue to trudge on. This is so much work. Today I focused on a few different things, and it felt nice to not worry about the charts, not having to watch them all the time. I gotta tell you, watching the charts can be stressful. So be sure to take a breath. Go for a walk. Hug your loved ones. But whatever you do, enjoy life. With that, I'm going to sign off for the day. I hope this is short, and expect more videos over the weekend. Happy trading.